How to repost someone's Snapchat story as your story. Open Snapchat and head to the Stories tab by swiping left from the camera screen. Find the story you want to repost. Now here is the thing. Snapchat doesn't have a direct repost button, so you will need to use a workaround. First, tap on the story to watch it. If you want to share a screenshot, take a quick screenshot while viewing the story. But be aware that Snapchat will notify the other person. A better way is to screen record the story instead. On most Android phones, swipe down to access the quick settings panel and tap the screen recorder option to start recording, then play the story. Once you have recorded it, stop the recording and go to your phone's gallery. Now open Snapchat again and from the camera screen, tap the small memories icon below the shutter button. Select the screen recorded clip from your camera roll. Tap the share icon, then choose My Story to post it. You can also trim the video or add stickers or text before posting. And that's it. You have successfully reposted someone's Snapchat story to your own. Using the screen record method, always make sure the content is appropriate to share and get permission if needed. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tutorials.